Now you can also use Python to create Excel files. So first we'll import the OpenPy Excel module, and we'll load workbook from the we'll load workbook from the OpenPy Excel module. Then we'll create a new workbook, and we'll select the active workbook. And now we created a new Excel file, and we can add some data. Now in Excel or any spreadsheet, you can use the letters combined with the numbers to specify a location. For example, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, and so on. Now you can do the same with Python, so we can say A1 using this kind of brackets, and then set a value. For example, we set the value 5, and we can also save the Excel file. So we can say workbook.save, and I'll call it sample2.xlsx. Run the program, and you'll see it created a new Excel file, and we can open that. So open your file, and once you've opened it, you'll see that the value is there. So the Excel file is created from Python, and it added the data to your sheet. Now, of course, you can add, you can do that for other fields. So let's say A2, A3, A4, and so on. So if we run this program and open the file again, you'll see we need to reload the file. And once we reload it, you'll see it updated the Excel file with those values. Now, of course, you can do the same thing for B, C, D, E, F, and so on. So, for example, we can do this for these fields. And if we run it, we'll need to reload the file. And you'll see that it updated those values in the sheet, and the old values are gone. So it always starts with an empty sheet, and you can set the values of any of the Excel data just using code like this. So you can also set A, B, C, D with different values, which can be numeric but also text. So let's do this. Run the program, and it will create a new Excel sheet, set the data, and save the data. So we can reload the Excel file again. And you'll see it set the data in the fields. So it set A1, B2, C3, and D4. So it works for both text and numbers, and you can play around with the attached program.